let's see, from this project. Right. Okay, everyone, I'm Wang, and I make the project is about you can automatically using this code to open your Android emulator. We can run this project. I will press the F5. Wait a minute. We run this because we had this breakpoint is using for debug, but this time I don't need to debug, so I will remove it. Okay, you can choose what type of the emulator you want to select, and the source emulator is installed in your machine, your computer. I choose the first tablet and enter. I press the F5. And this code will waiting for emulator startup. Then if you want to automate your code, you maybe want to let this machine start up and execute the sounds code, like the OpenCV to click the sound application. So we have to ensure this emulator is started successfully. When it starts successfully, he will go to his stop, return true, because he executes this command line. This command add emulator 4443 5554. This is 5554 is about this port. We default port is 5554. Okay, next time we continue. He closed this project because already successful launch our Android emulator, but now we don't have to writing sound code to detect the application. If we want to, it's auto watching a YouTube video. We need to record in here. Maybe write a sound code that is auto scoring the YouTube. Auto scoring YouTube. But now I don't implement this function. So if you are interested in this project, you can modify the project, and I put it at the GitHub. Go to GitHub, my repository. Can this automation. Okay, I will put the URL to the describe box. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.